this video, we are going to see the top 15 new and upcoming Turkish series which are trending on YouTube in 2025. Starting with number 1. Bereketli Topraklar. In the city of Adana, two wealthy families, the Bereketoglu's and the Karahanlis, have lived in an uneasy peace for 20 years. That peace began after a tragic fire killed Rıza Bereketoglu, a loss that his son Omar later avenged, forcing both families to stop fighting, at least on the surface. Now, when Salih Bereketoglu returns home and falls in love with Fatma Karahanli, the granddaughter of their rivals, the past begins to rise again. Old wounds reopen, and whispers of revenge return to the city. Omar, the powerful yet fair leader of the Bereketoglu family, is respected by the people but feared by his enemies. He stands for justice, protecting the poor and punishing the corrupt, but his life is built on painful secrets. Into this tense world arrives Nevin, a brave prosecutor searching for answers about her fiancé's mysterious death. Her investigation leads her straight into Adana's dark world of power and crime, and to Omar himself. As Nevin and Omar grow closer, love and duty begin to clash. Their connection could bring peace to Adana or start the city's most dangerous war once again. Number 2. Gül ve Günahlar. Serhat grew up facing heartbreak, his father walked away, and his family lost everything. Through resilience and hard work, he rebuilt his life, becoming a respected and successful businessman guided by integrity and family values. But just when he thought he had everything under control, his world collapsed. His beloved wife Berrak had been keeping a painful secret from him, one that could destroy everything he believed in. Before Serhat could confront her, fate intervened. A tragic accident left Berrak in a coma, taking her secret with her. In the midst of this turmoil, Serhat's path crossed with Zeynep, a fiery young woman from a poor neighborhood, full of spirit and defiance. Though worlds apart, Serhat and Zeynep were drawn together by the storm of betrayal, truth, and destiny. As mistrust clashed with undeniable attraction, they found themselves torn between duty and desire. Zeynep became the light that challenged Serhat's pain, while Serhat was the man who tested Zeynep's courage. This is not just a tale of love, but of betrayal, hidden truths, and the strength to rebuild. Because sometimes, the deepest wounds lead to the most unexpected beginnings. Number 3. Kosu Anatomisi, The Graft. Kosu Anatomisi is a gripping crime drama that follows the life of Ozan, a young and idealistic emergency room doctor whose world changes forever when he unexpectedly crosses paths with Kenan, one of Turkey's most powerful underground crime lords. Drawn into a dark and dangerous world, Ozan's values and beliefs are tested as both he and Kenan undergo profound transformations. Their lives become deeply intertwined, blurring the line between good and evil, hope and despair. Filled with action, drama, and suspense, the series takes viewers on an intense journey into the anatomy of chaos itself. Number 4. Veliaht, Crown Prince. The saga of Veliaht opens at the bustling Esenler bus terminal, a kingdom where family power, loyalty, and betrayal decide fates. Once the iron-fisted ruler of this empire, Zulfikar Karslino battles failing health, leaving his throne vulnerable. All eyes turn to his long-absent son, Zafar, expected to return from abroad and reclaim the legacy. But destiny has other plans. Far away from this ruthless world, Timur, a humble mobile mechanic burdened by his father's debts, lives a life of hardship. One fateful twist pulls him straight into the orbit of the Karslis, forcing him to wear the face of Zafar Karsli, the heir everyone awaits. From that moment, his ordinary life shatters. The Karsli siblings, Kudret, Derya, Janet, and even Zafar's wife Rehan, are caught in a whirlwind of jealousy, suspicion, and shifting loyalties. Old rivalries flare, forbidden passions ignite, and buried truths claw their way to the surface. Timur, who once longed for simplicity, now walks a perilous line between survival and supremacy. Every choice could crown him with unimaginable power or destroy him forever. Amid betrayal and chaos, a dangerous yet irresistible love story emerges, one that could change everything. This series is expected to be released in September, so stay tuned, my friends. Number 5. Ashka Mehkum, Bitter Justice. Ashka Mehkum follows the harrowing journey of Dunya, a young woman whose biggest dream is to become a kindergarten teacher. Her life is turned upside down when a tragic accident at the construction site where her father works leaves powerful businessman Noyan Erim's wife paralyzed and their unborn child lost. Blaming Dunya's father for the tragedy, Noyan exacts a cruel punishment, forcing Dunya into his mansion as an unwilling caretaker for his wife. Cut off from her family and freedom, she is thrust into an oppressive world ruled by Noyan's authority, where every corner hides hostility, obsession, and dangerous secrets. Within the mansion's suffocating walls, Dunya learns to endure, adapt, and quietly resist, all while desperately protecting her loved ones outside. Her only glimmer of hope comes in the form of Sinan, Noyan's trusted right-hand man, who risks his safety to shield her from Noyan's escalating cruelty. As they navigate a dangerous web of lies and power games, an unspoken connection blossoms between them, one that offers both comfort and peril. But in a place where the past leaves deep scars and alliances shift like shadows, love becomes the most dangerous risk of all. This is a story of resilience, forbidden romance, and the fight for justice against a man who holds all the power. Number 6. Ashki Hatirla, Remember Love. Ashki Hatirla revolve around Deniz, a renowned architect portrayed by Bar Adach, and Gunesh, a popular magazine editor played by Handei Urchel. Both characters are on the verge of marriage when they experience unexpected breakups in their respective relationships. On the same evening, a chance encounter and a mysterious message on their phones set them on a transformative journey. As they navigate this new adventure, they uncover some missing pieces in their relationship and rediscover love. The series delves into themes of fate, second chances, and the complexities of modern relationships. Set against the picturesque backdrops of Istanbul and Cappadocia, the narrative will unfold over 8 episodes. With a compelling storyline and a star-studded cast, Ashki Hatirla promises to captivate audiences. Ashki Hatirla, Remember Love, will be an upcoming Turkish romantic comedy series set to premiere on June 2025. Number 7. 5. Çift Kişilik Order, Double Room. Çift Kişilik Order follows Nilüfer, a young woman who dreams of working at the Lutetia Hotel, a place built by her late parents before they passed away when she was a child. Determined and hardworking, Nilüfer slowly climbs the ranks at the hotel. Meanwhile, Karn, one of the hotel's rightful heirs, returns after years away. His motive is just taking revenge from his cold and controlling stepsister Sevil, who has been running the hotel in his absence. Karn checks into the luxurious king's suite, and his presence shakes the balance at Lutetia. A misunderstanding brings him face to face with Nilüfer, sparking a complicated connection between them. As their lives intertwine, buried secrets, past traumas, and power struggles begin to surface. Nilüfer finds herself torn between her dreams and a growing bond with a man surrounded by mystery and pain. In a world full of ambition, betrayal, and unexpected love, nothing will ever be the same for Nilüfer and Karn. Number 8. Bir İhtimal Daha Var, Bet Your Life. Bet Your Life is a Turkish comedy drama that follows the unusual partnership between Isa, a once legendary sports betting columnist whose luck and life have hit rock bottom, and Refik, a wealthy businessman who is, unfortunately, dead. After losing his job and making dangerous enemies due to failed predictions, Isa encounters the ghost of Refik, who offers him a shot at redemption. Refik has unfinished business. He wants Isa to help solve his own murder. Together, they form a reluctant, oddball duo, Isa, skeptical and desperate, and Refik, commanding and snobbish even in death. As they delve into the mystery behind Refik's death, Isa uncovers dark secrets, navigates through quirky small-town characters, and starts to regain his confidence. Set against the scenic backdrop of Urla in the Aegean, the series blends elements of comedy, mystery, and light drama, with themes of second chances, legacy, and unlikely friendship. While some see it as lacking depth and originality, others praise its charm, cultural flavor, and heartfelt storytelling. Number 9. Sustali Jaylan. Jaylan, portrayed by Sumaya Edon, is a young woman forced into marriage at an early age to Nejmi, an unemployed and abusive man. Her life revolves around her son, Yusuf, for whom she endures daily hardships. Secretly, Jaylan attends a vocational health school, hoping to escape her oppressive life upon graduation. To support her family and continue her education, Jaylan works as a housekeeper and caregiver for the mother of Atmacha Bakery, a powerful figure in the criminal underworld. Atmacha leads a double life, balancing his family with his wife, Mutba, and his affair with Dilara. His trusted confidant, Fahad, is a fearless and intelligent man who becomes captivated by Jaylan's resilience. The narrative takes a dark turn when Yusuf falls victim to an organ trafficking ring due to Nejmi's actions, resulting in the loss of a kidney. This tragedy ignites a fire within Jaylan, transforming her from a submissive wife into a determined warrior seeking justice. Fahad becomes her greatest ally in this relentless battle against the criminal world. Number 10. Ghozlari Karadenez, Eyes Like the Black Sea. Ghozlari Karadenez follows the journey of Azil, a young man from the Black Sea whose life changes after the death of his adoptive mother. He learns that he is in fact the lost heir of the powerful Machari family, one of Istanbul's most feared dynasties. Determined to uncover the truth about his past, Azil steps into the dark world of Istanbul, where family rivalries, betrayals, and hidden secrets await him. His path collides with a forbidden love, pulling him into a dangerous romance that challenges both his heart and destiny. As he struggles to reconcile his Black Sea roots with his new identity, Azil faces a dramatic clash with his brother, who refuses to accept him. The deeper he goes, the more he is torn between power and conscience, love and loyalty. In a world where trust is rare and betrayal lurks at every corner, Azil must decide who he really is, an ordinary boy from the sea, or the rightful heir to a ruthless dynasty. Number 11. Kuma. Jaylan, a kind and dutiful young woman, flees her home when her father attempts to sell her as a second wife, or Kuma, to settle his debts. During her escape, she meets Karan, a wealthy businessman, and they fall in love. However, tragedy strikes when Jaylan is unjustly accused of murdering Karan's brother. To preserve family honor, Karan marries his brother's widow and compels Jaylan to become his second wife, despite her innocence and their prior romantic connection. This arrangement traps Jaylan in a household where she is unwelcome, forcing her to navigate hostility, seek to prove her innocence, and strive to reclaim her place in Karan's heart. Number 12. El Turco. El Turco follows the journey of Balban Hassan, a janissary in the Ottoman army, who is betrayed during the 1683 Battle of Vienna and left for dead. Escaping execution, he ends up wounded in the remote Italian village of Mona, where the locals, especially a woman named Gloria, nurse him back to health. Embraced by the villagers, he settles there and earns the nickname El Turco. Balban falls in love with an Italian girl, Mariana, and becomes a folk hero after organizing a rebellion against the oppressive feudal lords. He trains the villagers in warfare and leads them in a fight for freedom, facing his old enemy, Marco Benedetti di Vicenza. Alongside him, a witch becomes a healer, a homeless girl becomes the first female janissary, and a one-armed blacksmith becomes a crucial ally. Balban's courage and wisdom win the hearts of the people, and after his death, Mona honors him with a yearly festival, La Turcina, celebrating the Turkish hero who once fought for their liberty. From the very first scene, it pulls you in and keeps you there with its beautiful visuals, intense action, and emotional storytelling. Can Yaman really surprised me. His performance had depth, especially in the more emotional moments. The chemistry between him and Greta Ferro felt genuine, and the whole cast delivered. I loved the historical setting mixed with the drama. It gave the series a unique vibe. Definitely binge-worthy, and I'm already looking forward to season 2. Number 13. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Uzak Sahir is an adaptation of the popular Lebanese series Al-Heba. The series follows Alia Albora, who arrives in Mardin from Canada with her late husband's funeral and their young son to fulfill her husband's final wish. Her arrival, however, marks the beginning of an irreversible journey, trapping her within the powerful and dangerous Albora tribe. Sihan Albora, the head of the tribe, is sympathetic to Alia's struggles but refuses to allow her to leave with her child. As Alia grapples with the darkness of the past, hidden family secrets, and the brutal realities of the region, she finds herself at odds with her late husband's family. The show delves into the tension between Alia and the powerful Albora clan, where old grudges and complex relationships complicate her mission. Caught between the love for her son and the violent world she's now trapped in, Alia must navigate a life she never expected. In a setting filled with danger, betrayal, and power struggles, Alia faces a fierce battle for her freedom and the future of her child. As she unravels long-buried secrets, Alia must decide whether she can break free from the clutches of the Albora family or if she will be consumed by it. The series explores themes of family, loyalty, and survival in a harsh, unforgiving environment. Number 14. Karal Kebeders. Karal Kebeders follows Kenan Baran, a charismatic and powerful businessman, has always had control over his life, both in business and love. He thrives on his ability to win over women, believing he is untouchable. His marriage to Handan is strained, but he refuses to let go, despite his affairs. Everything changes when he meets Fadi, a young woman from a humble background who refuses to be just another conquest. Their complicated relationship forces Kenan to confront his deepest fears and insecurities. When Fadi realizes Kenan will never leave his wife, she walks away, triggering his downfall. As his wealth and power crumble, Kenan unknowingly seeks help from the same psychiatrist as Fadi. Over 30 years, the once dominant king transforms from a selfish taker to a man who learns the value of giving and redemption. As a viewer, you might appreciate the deep psychological layers of the story, being a true karma story that beautifully captures the rise and fall of a man who once had everything. Even though the storytelling is praise-able, with strong performances from the cast. However, you might feel this series as predictable Turkish drama about infidelity, making it a total waste of time with a weak plot, overly simple dialogues, and an unnecessarily long runtime. You can give it a try, maybe you like it. Number 15. Elçin Sangu ile 101. Elçin Sangu ile 101 is a thought-provoking Turkish documentary series hosted by the beloved actress Elçin Sangu, streaming exclusively on Gain. Each episode explores one major topic of modern life, from digital dating and beauty standards to AI, astrology, anxiety, and body image. Rather than offering answers, the show encourages viewers to think deeply and form their own perspectives. Elçin's calm, reflective narration and emotional depth give each subject a personal, relatable touch. The series blends historical facts, expert insights, and current societal trends in a fun yet informative way. Visual storytelling, poetic narration, and smart editing keep it engaging from start to finish. It's not just about information, it's about perspective, emotion, and inner questioning. From "Why do we really gain weight?" to "Should we even have kids?" Each episode hits a real nerve. With only around 10 to 15 minutes per episode, it's accessible yet profound. Elçin's performance stands out, subtle, soulful, and effortlessly captivating. And that wraps up our list of the top 15 new Turkish series of 2025. Which one are you most excited to watch? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the best Turkish dramas with English subtitles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.